Hello guys, welcome to your channel IT Scholar. This is the fourth video on the shortcut keys. But before we move towards our video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more videos and for more updates. Let's get to the video. Ctrl B. This shortcut key is used to bold the text in MS Word. Just like when I press Ctrl B on the selected text, it bolds the text, and if I press the same keys in the Firefox browser, it is used to view bookmarks. Ctrl N. This shortcut key allows us to create new blank document in Microsoft applications. Just like when I press Ctrl N in MS Word over here, it creates a whole new document. This shortcut key is also used for opening new tab in current open browser, just like this. Ctrl O. This shortcut key is widely used to open a file in the current open software. Just like when I press Ctrl O in MS Word, it opens a new file just like this. Ctrl K. This shortcut key is used to insert hyperlink. Just like when I press Ctrl K in MS Word over here, it inserts the hyperlink on the selected text. And in most browsers, it focuses the search bar. For example, when I press the Ctrl K in Google Chrome, it highlights the search bar over there. Ctrl P. This key is used for print preview in the current open document or any browser. Just like by pressing the Ctrl P in MS Word, it shows the print and print preview option. It does the same in any browser by pressing the same key just like this. Ctrl S is used to save the document or a file. Shift F12 can also be used for the same purpose, as we have already discussed this key in the previous video before. In MS Word, if I press Ctrl S or Shift F12, it displays the save option. Ctrl Z shortcut key is used to undo or undone any action we made by mistake. Just like if I delete this file over here intentionally or unintentionally and I want to recover the file, I just have to press Ctrl Z and the file reverts back to its old position. This key works in MS Office programs as well. Ctrl Y. This shortcut key is used to redo the last or all the undo on any action we made. Just like when I recovered this file by the undo option, but now I decide to send that file back to the recycle bin or delete the file, then I simply press Ctrl Y and it will repeat the last performed action. Shift Delete. This shortcut key is primarily used to delete any selected text, and it also provides an option to delete any file or folder permanently, which means that it will not go to recycle bin or it cannot be undone or recovered. Just like when I press Shift Delete key on the selected file over here, it will display a dialog for permanently deleting the file, and by pressing yes, it will be deleted without going to recycle bin, and it cannot be undone as well. Windows key and M. This shortcut key is used to minimize any current open program. Just like in the Google Chrome browser, if I press Windows key M simultaneously, the browser will be minimized. And if I want to maximize, press Windows key, Shift key, and M simultaneously. This shortcut key will maximize the last minimized window. Remember guys, the uses of the keys I told you today are commonly used for these purposes, but also their uses changes depending on the program. They could be used with other keys or can be used individually, but with different function. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and for that, keep supporting the channel by subscribing the channel and by liking and sharing the videos. Till then, take care and meet you in the next video.